Guys, I, guys, I just got the most hilarious weather alert. I have never even been to Florida, but I, I live at least 1,000 miles from Florida. But I just got an alert. Look out for falling iguanas in southern Florida. Seriously, watch out for comatose iguanas falling from trees in southern Florida. Apparently, once it gets into the 40s, iguanas go into comas. And they don't always stay in the trees. Technically, they're an invasive species because of irresponsible pet ownership. Yeah, you can't just let your reptile loose if you live somewhere warm. Or even if you live somewhere cold, you can't let a temperate reptile loose. But yeah, if it gets cold enough in Florida, it sometimes rains iguanas. And I just got an alert, a weather alert, about raining iguanas. Comatose iguanas, of course. It's like, I live at least 1,000 miles away. Why are you telling me this, CNN? Uh, I guess the NSA thought I would find it funny. Because I like reptiles. And I have lizards. I have a snake. Maybe the NSA thought I would enjoy it. I mean, yeah, if my NSA agent pays too much attention, though, he or she is probably very concerned by some of my writer thing searches. Because writers need to know obscure facts to write realistic, scary scenes. So, I wonder if it was something my NSA agent sent me. You know how Americans are with all the NSA stuff. Anyway, to anyone who may be watching this from Florida, be careful. The iguanas are falling. Don't walk under any trees, 'cause you might get hit with a 20-pound comatose lizard. Bye-bye.